boost your reading score with me. 5 golden tips that can actually help you to get your desired score in reading section, which is considered as the most difficult section. But don't you worry, I'm going to make it easy for you and you can get your desired score in this. Welcome to English Wise everyone. This is Mehak. So today's session is all about your reading, the tricks that can actually help you to improve it. But make sure you like and subscribe our channel so you get all the tips and tricks and you ace your PTE test. Let's begin with the thing. The very first thing for your reading, let's understand the thing that speaking and listening. Yes, before we start reading, let's understand the entire thing of PTE. You know, speaking and listening, backbone and I would say brain of PTE test, they both have got scores with them. Speaking itself has got so many scores. If we don't do anything, do speaking only, it gives so many scores to listening and reading. Speaking has its own scoring. It is of approx 60 points itself. Listening also itself 60 points. But when we consider the reading and writing, they are itself of just 45 points, 45 to 50 I would say. Rest of the points they get from outer section, like from speaking and listening. Writing gets from listening, reading gets from your speaking section. So don't worry about only reading. I have seen people for improving the reading section, they are just working on what? They are working on their reading blanks, cramming the grammar. No, if you are like not improving in your reading section, please work on the sections which are going to help you to improve your reading. Yes, I am going to name 5 things that are actually going to help you to ace your reading section. Yes, the 5 things, let's understand. First, read aloud. Second, summarize written text. Third is your highlight incorrect words, your vocabulary and your contextual understanding. These are the 5 things that you need to work on to improve your reading. Let's understand in detail. The very first thing when I say read aloud, what you are supposed to do in your read aloud. In read aloud, you have to make sure that you are speaking all the words correctly. It's your pronunciation that is going to help you. You know, what is pronunciation? Pronunciation is the way of speaking or reading the words. If you are reading the words correctly, that means you are acing your score in your reading section. Make sure you are not speaking it too fast. You are not taking any kind of pauses. But if you are trying to be like calm, composed, speaking each and every word correctly, it's a good up to your reading. So you have to make sure that you read it properly. If you are unable to speak any of the word, just skip it. Don't read it. It will affect your reading. So improve your read aloud. You can watch the course video as well. That will actually help you to improve more and a good understanding of read aloud. Second thing, when I say summarize written text. In summarize written text, I have seen students grabbing any of the line and just putting it, connecting it with the connectors and all the stuff. No. This way you get your score in writing. What about reading? Your short writing lags and even your reading suffers. For reading, you have to make sure you choose the line which got the proper nouns in it. The line which is going to give you most of the information, the line which has lots of information. Make sure you choose that line only and that will help you to improve your reading. What is a proper noun? Name of a person, place, anything which is like giving you lots of information, a proper thing. But make sure any name which has a dot, let's say Mr. and dot, there is a dot with it as in short form, abbreviation. Don't use that, then avoid that line. But try to include the most meaningful lines from your paragraph and to get your score in your reading section. The third is your highlight incorrect words. From highlight incorrect words, what you are supposed to do is, your speaker is speaking the entire passage and you have to click the word which is incorrectly spoken. So what you are supposed to do, speak the same paragraph with the speaker in your head. Yes, and wheresoever your and his words are different, click it. Make sure you just do one click. I have seen students that double click it. If you double click it, First time it got clicked, but second time it got unclicked, so 0 score. And in this section you have to make sure you select those words for which you are 100% sure. There's a negative marking in this. No guesswork, please. We have to be on the safer side, so work on this. Fourth is your vocabulary. What you are supposed to do for your vocabulary is you have to read books, you have to read newspaper, you have to get more of the vocabulary from wheresoever you get. Try to read books, please. They are going to help your vocabulary plus your contextual understanding as well. So work on your vocabulary. You can even listen to the TED Talks and your podcast. That will also help you to improve your vocabulary because they are going to use different kind of words, so that is going to help you work on your vocab. Next, contextual understanding. Always try to understand what the context is asking to you. I have seen students, they just skim the paragraph, they just try to put any and every single word in there. You are not supposed to do that. You have to make sure you understand the context, not the whole context, basically the line where the blank is there. Try to understand that, and if you are working good on that, that will help you to improve your reading. So stop working hours for only on the reading section. If you are not good in that, I would say work more on the other section that help you to get your score in your reading portion. From reading, I would suggest you to work more and more on your reading writing blanks because they got so much of the score. So now you can practice these 5 things, work on these 5 things, practice and get your desired score. So these were the 5 things that you need to work on to help your reading. You can watch our reading course video as well to know more tips and tricks to get your desired score in this. Thank you so much everyone. We'll see you in the next video.